Hey, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 different side hustles for a complete beginner. If you are still struggling to make money online, to start a passive income business, these 4 business ideas that I'm going to share with you, you can go out today and go try them and execute on them. Now, what I'm about to share with you are not things that I'm just picking out of thin air. These are all things that I have tried. These are all things that I'm still doing right now and still making me money. That is the best way to quit your job. The same thing that I've done that's allowed me to quit my 9-to-9 sales job, that's allowed me to now be able to travel the world. I'm currently in Tirana, Albania. I've just spent a couple of weeks in Mexico City, and I will be going to somewhere in Southeast Asia very soon. The only way that I've been able to do that is because I was able to quit my job and be able to make money while I travel. So these 4 business ideas, you can go out today, go execute on them, and start changing your life. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Now, the first business idea that I'm going to share with you is to help local businesses generate customers. Now, you might be wondering, you've tried this in the past, this doesn't work, but the number one challenge that businesses face today is to generate new customers. And if you are the person that can help them do that, they will pay you bigly for that. Now, I work as a social media marketing strategist. This is what I do on a day-to-day basis, and I have clients on my account that I do this for, and they pay me anywhere from $1,500 upwards every single month. That is just one of my income streams. So if you have the time to invest into finding new people, into finding local businesses that will pay you to help them generate customers, that is exactly where you should get started. It doesn't require any investment on your side. All you have to do is to invest your time into finding these people. You can start with family and friends. Maybe you know someone who has a business. You know someone who's just opening up, a friend, a family. It could be someone in your neighborhood who's just opening up a business. Talk to them, talk to family and friends, because if you don't have money to invest in running ads to generate new customers, you have to do the legwork. And this was how I started about 3 years ago when I was just getting started online. I did pretty much anything that would allow me to make money outside of my job. I was working at a warehouse job. I was making say $12.50 an hour. That wasn't anything. I could barely pay my rent with that. So I went out, I found people, and they actually paid me to help them run ads. I didn't know exactly what I was doing, but I learned on the go. So that is exactly what you should do. You should never be afraid to learn new things. You should never be afraid to take on challenges that you know quite well that you may not be able to tackle, but you will learn as you go. All you need to do, all you need to have right now is the confidence to approach people, the confidence to learn the things that you don't know. I mean, to get comfortable in situations that are quite frankly uncomfortable. So the first business idea that I always recommend is to help businesses generate clients. In fact, I will show on the screen right here. This is one of the receipts from one of my clients from this month. They just sent me $1,500 to help them generate leads on Facebook. This is what I do over the years. I have learned to use the platform to help local businesses generate clients using Facebook ads, and that is exactly what I want to recommend to you to start if you're just getting started online. So go out, find local businesses that needs clients and help them generate customers. That is my first recommendation. And now it gets even better, and this is for people who do not have that outgoing personality, or maybe you're not interested in talking to local businesses. This second business that I want to recommend is probably the easiest online business to get started today, and that is by getting into e-commerce. Now, the easiest type of e-commerce that you can get into is by dropshipping. Now, you may have watched a lot of YouTube videos talking about Shopify dropshipping. What I am talking about here is has nothing to do with Shopify. It's either through Facebook Marketplace or through Facebook Shops or on Walmart. Now, if you don't have an LLC, if you don't have an existing business, you may find it hard to sell on Walmart, which is why I recommend Facebook Marketplace. I've done a lot of videos in the past about Facebook Marketplace, but I will link some videos down in the description. If you want to get started with Facebook Marketplace, all you need is your time, your computer, and your internet. You do not need any money up front to get started with Facebook Marketplace. And also, I will leave some tools down in the description, tools that will help you, research products, tools tools that will help you list products pretty easily, so you don't have to, save and copy and do it one after the other. You can easily import 50, 100, even up to 1,000 products from Amazon and list it on your Facebook Marketplace. I'll leave those down in the description, and you can use my discount code in order to get some percentage off to save you money as well. So drop shipping on Facebook Marketplace and Facebook shops is the biggest types of drop shipping right now, as the biggest types of opportunity for anyone looking to get started with e-commerce. I did it a couple months ago. I made over $15,000 in 6 weeks. In my very first 6 weeks of getting started with this business model, I made $15,000. That's the most money I've made in such short period of time as at that point. So if you're looking to get started with dropshipping, I would highly recommend Facebook Marketplace. I know there's not a lot of videos out there that talks about this, but I'll leave some links in the description, so go check them out and get started today. Now, apart from dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace, another business idea that you want to try definitely is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing and dropshipping, I would say, ranks very high up there amongst the easiest online businesses to start. But with affiliate marketing, there's a lot of technicalities involved. You need to set up landing pages, and sometimes you need to have some technical knowledge in order to get started with affiliate marketing. But there are a lot of resources online, and I have some videos as well. If you want to learn about affiliate marketing, I have some videos that talks about that, and I'm pretty sure there's a lot of resources on YouTube. If you want to get started with affiliate marketing, I do affiliate marketing. I make money with it every single month, and one of my income sources is affiliate marketing, and that is why, again, I've been able to quit my job very quickly within a year and be able to travel the world the way I do today. So if you want to get started online, I would strongly recommend that you start affiliate marketing. So if you look in the description down below, you will see some discount codes in there and some links to some softwares that I use. That is affiliate marketing. I recommend these products to you, and when you buy these products using my my discount code, I get a commission from that sale. If you can curate an audience, if you can find a consistent stream of traffic, you can find products that those people want and you can recommend it to them. There's several platforms to get started with affiliate marketing. There's ClickBank, there's Commission Junction, there's JVZoo. There's several platforms. If you do your research, you will find this platform. Sign up on there, find products that something that you relate with, something that you resonate with, that you're passionate about, that you can promote to other people, and go find those customers where they are, where they're hanging out. That could be Facebook, could be YouTube. If you have the time, I would either recommend you start a YouTube channel, start making videos, and if you have some money to spare, you can learn how to run ads on platforms like Facebook, like Google, and start driving traffic to this product. So affiliate marketing is very powerful. It is probably the most powerful type of business model that you can do, because you don't have to touch, you don't have to see, and you don't have to run customer service on any of the products that you promote. So go ahead, start affiliate marketing right now as a complete beginner. Of course, it's going to take some time, but if you stick with it, you will be successful. So my third recommendation would be affiliate marketing. And my fourth and final recommendation, in fact, not so many people talk about this one, and I think it's still a very unique landscape, is by selling low content books on Amazon. Now, Amazon is the biggest e-commerce platform in the world, and a lot of people go on Amazon to find products. It is a search engine. If you go on Amazon today and you type in stuff like a notebook or a journal, you will find several results. And these people didn't even have to make these products. They just find a software that makes this ebooks, this journal, this low content products. They upload on Amazon, and Amazon does all of the marketing and fulfillment. All you have to do is sit back and watch money roll in for you. Now, a very good software that you can use to create low content ebooks is a software called BookBolt. Now, BookBolt has given me a discount code to share with you guys, and if you use my code down below, you get 20% off. BookBolt is a very powerful software that helps you do the product research on what types of low content ebooks are selling on Amazon, and it gives you all of the content of these ebooks. All you have to do is go into the software and put these ebooks together, then upload to Amazon. And if you have anywhere from 4, 5, 6 books, even 10 books, you can have as many as you want. But if you make income from any of these numbers, say 3 of these ebooks do very well for you, you could be making over $1,000 a month by just uploading books that you don't even have to see or touch or do fulfillment on. So this is a very powerful software. Make sure you check it out in the description down below. So I will recap very quickly. The first is by doing social media ads for small businesses, helping them generate customers. The second one is by doing dropshipping, by selling on platforms like Facebook Marketplace, which I believe is the easiest way to dropship right now. Do not try Shopify at this point, especially if you don't have any money upfront to start with. The third one is by doing affiliate marketing. I believe it is the easiest way to generate income online because you don't have to see, touch, or do fulfillment on any product. And the fourth one is by doing low content publishing on Amazon and selling, low content ebooks like journals and coloring books and things of that nature. So let me know if this video has been very helpful to you, and please check out this, links in the description. Use those codes because it helps me, keep going on this channel. And also, if you haven't subscribed, this is the perfect time to do so. I would greatly appreciate it, and leave a like. Let me know in the comments what you think about this video. If you want me to expand on any of these things that I've talked about, I will do that for you. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. My name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next one.